Hey guys, it's Samara. Welcome back to German Made Easy for You. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use trennbare Verben and Modalverben together in the same sentence. So, without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's talk about what trennbare Verben are. I've already made a video on trennbare Verben, and you'll find the link of the video in the description box right below. Trennbare Verben are made of a prefix and a main verb. In normal sentences where only trennbare Verben are used, the prefix is separated from the main verb and is moved to the very back of the sentence. Let's take a look at an example. The verb aufstehen means to get up. In a sentence, it's used like this. Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf. The main verb is stehen, it's conjugated, and it remains in the beginning of the sentence. And the prefix auf, it moves to the very end. And now let's talk about what Modalverben are. With a Modalverb in a sentence, an extra verb is always used. Modalverben help to change the meaning of the second verb, and they show ability, necessity, permission, advice, desire, or liking. Modalverben are conjugated, whilst the second verb is moved to the very back of the sentence and is not conjugated, which means that it stays in its normal infinitive form. Here's an example of how to use Modalverben in a sentence. Können is a Modalverb, which means can, and here's a sentence. Ich kann schwimmen. Kann is the conjugated form of the Modalverb können, and schwimmen is the second verb. The second verb stays in its normal original form, which is known as the infinitive form, and it moves to the very back of the sentence. Now let's move on to our topic, which is how to use trennbare Verben with Modalverben. The concept is pretty simple. Conjugate the Modalverben. The 7 Modalverben are können, müssen, dürfen, wollen, sollen, mögen, and möchten. Trennbare Verben, on the other hand, are neither conjugated nor are separated. So they are in their infinitive form and they are moved to the very end of the sentence. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here I've taken the two verbs können, which is a Modalverb, and aufstehen, which is a trennbare Verb. Ich kann früh aufstehen. I can get up early. Kann is the conjugated form of können for ich, and the verb aufstehen is moved to the back of the sentence and is in its infinitive form. Let's use müssen and zumachen together in a sentence. Müssen is a Modalverb, which means must, and zumachen is a trennbare Verb, which means close. Du musst die Tür zumachen. You must close the door. Dürfen, allow, together with aufbleiben, stay up. Wir dürfen heute lange aufbleiben. Wollen, which means to want, and einkaufen, which means to shop. Wir wollen morgen einkaufen. Sollen, which means should, with aufmachen, which means open. Ihr sollt das Fenster aufmachen. The verb mögen means to like, and aufräumen means to clean up. Sie mag aufräumen. Möchten, which means would like, and mitbringen, which means bring. Ich möchte ein Geschenk mitbringen. Now let's do a quick recap on the rules. When trennbare Verben are used without a Modalverb, the prefix is moved to the end of the sentence whilst the main verb is conjugated. But when trennbare Verben are used with a Modalverb, The verb stays in its infinitive form and moves to the back of the sentence. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Tschüss, bis bald!